We set out to pioneer the future of robotics. We've unlocked the power of advanced mobile processors that enable us to run cutting-edge AI algorithms on it. With this technology, we created Hover Camera, which allows anyone to capture photos and video from unique perspectives.
To use Hover Camera is very simple.
Power it on.
Flip it open like this, and you can hold anywhere. When you let go, it just hovers automatically.
With Hover Camera, you can take 13 megapixel photos and 4K video. We've replaced a traditional gimbal with electronic image stabilization so that your shots are always steady. Hover Camera is the first truly autonomous flying camera that anyone can use. And it's powered by our groundbreaking embedded AI technologies.
We built a ton of sophisticated AI algorithms into this small circuit board. It runs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 2.3 GHz quad-core processor.
This enables us to run complex calculations locally without the need for a remote server.
The AI was developed in such a way that it reduces the learning curve so anyone can operate it out of the box. That's why we've designed a revolutionary user experience that centers around hovering.
Hovering is actually more difficult than just flying.
The reason it hovers so steadily is because it's running optical flow on its downward viewing camera and visual SLAM from the front viewing camera.
That's how it gauges its own speed and position at all times. On top of that, we're running advanced flight control algorithms at 1 kHz. It's so intelligent that it follows people automatically as they move around. It does this without GPS, but instead using real-time facial and body recognition.
This is the most compact and elegantly designed flying camera on the market. It is so small that it could easily fit into a purse.
But in order to make sure that this device is safe, we've geared it up with a suit of armor.
This entire protective enclosure is made out of the most durable and lightweight carbon fiber material.
The radical design allows users to grab, throw, and catch Hover Camera, yet it lets just enough air to flow through without sacrificing the ability to hover or fly.
Tony and I, we both graduated from the Stanford Engineering PhD program.
We have about 80+ people now and a very diverse background.
We're fortunate enough to be surrounded by a team of passionate and experienced adventurers who share our vision.
We're setting new standards for aerial robotics.
Hover Camera is always around, capturing those unique moments, enriching your vision of the world.
We decided to build a car from scratch, a practical solution to driving in modern cities.
It's a holistic approach. The materials, the manufacturing process, the lubricants, the design and engine.
Every single element within the engine has been considered and optimized.
We get a great thrill when we can share this exciting car in the real world from concepts developed on sketchpads and computers.
It has been a lot of hard work, but it's all paid off.
This is a car for today, intended to inspire thinking about maximizing personal mobility while minimizing energy use.
The car is now here, it works, and its performance is incredible.
We used our expertise with leading-edge products like Shell Helix to create an efficient lubricant which works perfectly in harmony with the engine, thanks to our co-engineering approach.
We've shown that we have built a very energy-efficient car.
Collaboration has been the key. We couldn't have designed this car on our own.
I hope we inspire people to think differently about car design, especially city cars.
We want to demonstrate what's possible today.
It's a small vehicle full of big ideas.
No, 무슨 뜻이야?
Good boy. Good boy.
Hello, my name is Alex. I like playing basketball and to play with my best friend Chris. Also, I have a dream. I want to be free. And I know two guys who can make my dream come true. Meet Adrian and Yvonne. They are the engineers who are going to build a special car for me, the Avai car.
This car is a prototype designed for people with special needs. It is based on an existing chassis which meets all safety standards. It has an economic engine and an automatic gearbox. What is unique about this concept is the integrated wheelchair lift, a mechanism that lifts up and adapts the driver in front of the steering wheel. The wheelchair lift concept is in fact a mechanical assembly composed of a metal structure and two platforms which are operated by hydraulic cylinders. Other details which make the difference between a regular car and the Avai car are about the facilities which are a must to be considered in building a car for a person with special needs. We have incorporated 7 airbags for maximum safety in case of accidents. There is a special fixation system designed between the platform and the wheelchair. The platform has integrated obstacle detector sensors to avoid moments of plugging. Also, we have embedded an electronic control system that involves fire protection and an alarm button, giving the driver a higher level of safety in cases of emergency. The platform's positioning sensors are able to adjust it to the level of the ground. To increase the level of safety for the driver, we have chosen a sport chair with a 5-point harness seatbelt. We have developed an app available on iOS and Android, allowing the phone to be used as a remote control. It allows to start and stop the engine, the air conditioning, guide the platform, and activate the anti-theft alarm from the distance. We couldn't neglect the GPS and monitoring system features, so there is one integrated in the Avai car. This is one of Adrian's inventions. He built this trike when he was 17. He studies mechanical engineering. So does Yuan, who built his buggy when he was 18 years old. Start the driving revolution for all the wheelchairs, helping Adrian and Yuan to build the special car for Alex.